Sharad Pawar has sent shockwaves after this exclusive interview to CNN News 18's Vinaya Deshpande. In that interview, Mr. Pawar saying that there will be no Mahagathbandhan before 2019, adding that no opposition prime ministerial candidate has been decided yet. He further said that the current political scenario is similar to that of 1977, when a united opposition took on the might of a single party, the Congress. The veteran added that the regional parties must come together to fight the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's listen in to excerpts from that exclusive interview to CNN News 18.
What is a viable solution against the BJP in 2019?
In fact, we see a lot of media, a lot of people, there's a lot of write-up about some alternative, some front or anything, Mahagathbandhan or others. I don't see any possibility of that type of Mahagathbandhan or anything. There are certain, our friends, they want that, but that is not practical. My own thinking is, and my own assessment, ultimately it will be state-wise position. There might be states like Tamil Nadu. The number one party will be DMK, and other non-BJP party has to accept. If you go to Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, you will find Punjab, the Congress will be the number one party. Or in Andhra, one has to accept the Telugu Desam will be the number one party. Or Chandrasekhar Rao will be the important factor in Telangana. Or there in Odisha, Mr. Patnaik will be the major important force. Or in Calcutta, we will see this Madam Mamta ji, she will be the major force. These people will consolidate their position in their respective states as a state leader, as a state party, not as a Gathabandhan. But after the election, there is every possibility all these leaders will come together, because their total thrust of the election was against BJP. And that's why not to hand over the country then to the BJP, all these forces will come together and find some alternative. That I am confident. So but not Mahagathbandhan prior to election.
So now that you are interestingly talking of Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, I would like to ask you, who do you think will be the prime ministerial candidate for 2019?
I can't say that. I don't see anybody now, and my desire is that every state has to consolidate these non-BJP forces. They have to consolidate their position. They have to debate BJP, and they have to come together, sit together, and ultimately take that decision that time.
Do you think Rahul Gandhi will prove to be a good prime ministerial candidate?
I cannot say anything about any individual. Ultimately, in that time, the overwhelming majority, their acceptability is the important thing.
All right, that big trend-setting political interview with Sharad Pawar right here on CNN News 18. He was in conversation with Vinaya Deshpande. Let's get in our guests this afternoon to discuss this a little further and put out and chart out the larger political picture that emerges from a key party like the NCP, and strongman Sharad Pawar there in conversation with CNN News 18. We have Ms. Neerja Chaudhary, senior journalist, here with us. We also have Mr. Pawan Khera of the Congress Party joining us with his reaction. We have Pallavi Ghosh, our senior editor politics, and of course Vinaya Deshpande, who got us that interview, that conversation with Sharad Pawar. We're also hoping to be joined by the BJP's RP Singh. We're just waiting for that line to be patched through. But thanks very much for all of you for your time here on CNN News 18. Vinaya, I'd like to begin with you first. In your conversation with Sharad Pawar, just put this in perspective, the big news points that we're putting out. Why is it so significant when a Sharad Pawar says two things, that the Mahagathbandhan is not a possibility before elections, and also towards the end, his question mark about Rahul Gandhi's leadership?
Yes, throughout his interview, he seemed to evade questions on Rahul Gandhi, so there clearly are apprehensions amid the opposition parties about having Rahul Gandhi as the unified face of the opposition, and that apprehension clearly reflected from the way Sharad Pawar talked about the fact that there is no consensus about a prime ministerial candidate right now. Why it is important that he discards any possibility of Mahagathbandhan is that there is a front which has been actively working to forge an opposition alliance, pre-poll alliance against the BJP, and that he says is clearly impossible. So that when it comes from a person, a Maratha strongman who is himself seen at the forefront of arranging all the opposition parties together and bringing them really at the forefront against a unified fight against BJP, that is an important statement.
Right. All right. Mr. Pawan Khera, come in on this, and I'd also like to welcome Mr. R.P. Singh, spokesperson of the BJP, with us this afternoon. Thanks very much, Mr. Singh. I'm going to come to you in a bit. But Mr. Khera, respond to that interview. What does the Congress party make of it? Is there a worry in the Congress party, with the comments of someone like a Sharad Pawar?
No, it's not worrying at all. Every stakeholder of democracy has every right to make comments like this, and he is very right. Some states, the Congress is very strong to take on the BJP on itself, on its own steam. There are other states where party, whether it's the BJP or the Congress, they need allies, they need support. It has been so for the last 2 or 3 decades. BJP may be discovering it now. But for example, in West Bengal, everybody finds BJP untouchable. They should be worried about that. In Odisha, nobody wants to touch them. In the south, people are worried about touching the BJP. They should be more worried about that. The Congress has people ready to partner with it in all states, each and every state. There are some states where there are more than one partners ready to, parties which are ready to partner with them. At this stage, I don't know, the issue is, what are the fundamental issues on which all parties, if they at all come together, will come together?
Right.
It's not individuals, it's issues. So if the BJP wants to continue harping around an individual, so be it. Welcome, they're most welcome.
But Mr.
we
Khera, my
are
question
focusing
is,
our energies on price rise, on farmers, on Dalits, on women's safety, on unemployment, on small traders. There are several issues.
But Mr. Khera,
and
my
I hope
larger
the
question
BJP wakes
is,
up and only
at a
addresses the
time,
issues.
Mr. Khera, at a time when the opposition is trying to put up a united front, which seems to be the only formula available with the opposition to stem, the BJP, especially in the run-up to 2019, wouldn't you have preferred a different tone to come in from a Sharad Pawar?
No, I'm sorry, I don't agree with you at all. First, it's a very strange formulation, and I don't know who is floating this formulation in the country, in the media, that there is no alternative. There is always an alternative. Anyone but Modi is the sentiment running across the country. Anybody but this. There can't be a better formulation than this. People want to reject Mr. Modi, and therefore this party is obsessed with an individual because now they are at a loss. They don't have an alternative within their own party. People are getting restless in BJP, people are getting restless in NDA. Look at Shiv Sena, look at TDP, they've already gone away. Nitish Kumar is getting restless. They should worry about their 47 odd members.
Okay. Ms. Neeja Chaudhary, come in on this before I bring in the BJP. Ms. Neeja Chaudhary, what do you make of the Congress's argument?
I think, what Sharad Pawar has said is just absolute realism. It is not possible to have a Mahagathbandhan at the national level because there are some parties in the states who will not accept Congress in the lead. And in fact, they would prefer the formation of a federal front, a regional front. And so I think even to try and get these parties together on one platform, then the tricky question of who will lead them. They don't have a leader. On the other side is Modi, so that's a weak point. Why fight on something that's the BJP's tough? So it's, as I say, completely realistic for him to say that after the elections, we'll have a look at what the scenario is like and decide which parties come together and who will be the leader, depending on the arithmetic of it all. Therefore, I think it's, that is the way everybody sees it going. That 5 states where Gathbandhan, Mahagathbandhan or Gathbandhan of opposition parties will make a difference are UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Karnataka.
Okay.
If the opposition parties get together there, that accounts for almost 200 seats. That will make a difference to the final tally.
Okay.
It's not a national Mahagathbandhan that's going to make a difference.
Okay.
So Sharad Pawar is stating a very obvious position and is a realist when he states this.
Okay, keeping all political options open ahead of 2019. All right, RP Singh of the BJP, how do you see Sharad Pawar's comments in the current political scenario? And you heard Mr. Pawan Khera level those allegations against the BJP.
Well, I heard Mr. Pawan Khera, but let's understand. They want to be the central figure for the alliance, and alliance is not prepared to accept that. They talk about that there's a rejection of Mr. Modi. Let's talk about we have won all elections in each state, state after state, and we have formed government in almost 20 states in country today. And in coming elections, we are going to win again the assembly elections. And thirdly, the two major states, UP and Bihar, they have tried a piggy ride on a bicycle, and they are out. Now they are not also getting a piggy ride there. Bihar, they might try to piggy ride the Lalten, but how much it will work, we don't know. So they are not a party to reckon with. These are
But
two
you're
main
ignoring the
states.
places where it's worked,
And Maharashtra,
Mr. Singh.
Sharad
You're ignoring
Pawar-
the places where it has worked. Look at the bypoll results. You're
I'm
ignoring that
coming-
very
I'm-
conveniently.
I'm coming, please. I'm coming. Give me a minute, sir. Give me. I'll
Okay,
tell
okay,
you
go
about the bypoll results also. Let me make it clear. Last year, if we talk about the bypoll results, when we won 73 parliamentary elections, thereafter we lost all bypolls, assembly bypolls, but we won 325 in the assembly elections. So bypolls are no parameter or no reflection on the election on the party popularity, because bypolls are contested on purely 100% local issue, not on the who is going to the CM or who is going to the Prime Minister of this country. And as far they are saying that parties within the alliance are looking for faces outside, they're not happy our party. Sir, there are people who have left Congress till recent. People have left Congress because Mr. Rahul Gandhi was busy with his pity,
right.
and they repelled on this, saying that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has more time for his pity than the people at large. And in Karnataka, so I'll define Karnataka. I like to define
Okay.
because Mr.
Okay. No, hold on. I'm going to get to Karnataka later on. I'm going to get to Karnataka later on, Mr. Singh. No, no, no.
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Very quickly.
Because in Karnataka also they lost. I mean, there were more than 145 seats where they lost elections.
But you've not formed the government.
You
there.
better
You've
worry
not formed
about
the
Mr.
government
Amit Shah, who from a high horse had
No,
to
it's
come
not that.
down and
No,
then
no, but
go to
they
the
were- they lost
doorstep
in
of Shiv
145
Sena,
seats.
pleading,
No, the
begging.
point is,
Mr.
when we're
Amit
looking at
Shah
coalition
begging
politics-
on the doorstep of Mr.
Sir,
Thackeray.
Mr. Pawan Khera, let's talk
Mr.
about your
Amit
leaders
Shah
have
begged and
quitted
pleaded,
party because
and
of
even
Mr.
then
Rahul Gandhi's-
Shiv Sena is refusing to
because of
listen to
Mr.
him.
Rahul Gandhi's conduct
I am happy
and
to
his-
see a
his
man coming
seriousness
coming
with
down
the
with the
party
high horse.
cadre
Okay, hold on.
and his
Hold on.
seriousness
If the
on
BJP
high
is
horse
raising
with
questions
Modi
about the
and
coalition
anyone
politics
else.
of the Congress party, then the BJP also has a little worrying to do as far as the BJP's allies are concerned in the run-up to 2019. Okay, hold on. Mr. Khera, I want to bring in Pallavi Ghosh. I want to bring in Pallavi
Mr.
Ghosh, a senior
Pawan
editor
Khera,
politics.
your
Hold on, hold on,
own
hold
party
on.
man left.
Hold on. I want to bring out the larger picture. Pallavi Ghosh, come in on this. You had a conversation. All right.
Across
I
the
request,
country,
gentlemen,
rural and
please.
urban, everywhere
Gentlemen, we
you go,
can't
people
we
say,
can't get
Modi
anywhere with a
ke
conversation
alawa
like
koi bhi
this.
chalega.
Let's have a dialogue. Let's have
Modi
a
ke alawa koi
conversation.
bhi chalega, ye nara hai
All right, hold on.
2019
All right,
का.
Mr. Khera, I will give you a chance to
Thank you,
just
बहुत
respond.
धन्यवाद। आप राहुल गांधी को प्रोजेक्ट करिएगा प्रधानमंत्री अगली बार, बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी
अरे
आपको।
आप राहुल गांधी के ज्यादा
करिए, हमको चाहते
इतना
हैं आप
ऑब्सेस
करिए।
मत करिए, प्लीज
आप
फोकस
उसको
ऑन योर ओन
प्रधानमंत्री प्रोजेक्ट
लीडर,
करने
जिनको
इसकी
घोड़े से
मेहनत
उतार
करिए
दिया
पहले।
शिवसेना
उसको कर लीजिए,
ने,
बहुत
अमित
धन्यवाद
शाह को
होगा,
तो
बहुत
घोड़े से
आभार
उतार
होगा
दिया
आपका।
शिवसेना ने, अब मोदी जी की चिंता करिए
All
आप।
right, all right,
तलवार
okay.
भी म्यान में
अरे
वापस चली
सर,
गई अमित शाह की,
आप
अब मोदी जी की चिंता करिए आप।
Okay,
ये
allow me to
देश
come in.
महान
All right,
है,
allow me
देश
to
के
come
आगे
in.
अहंकार नहीं चलता, किसी का नहीं
All
चला,
right, just
आपका
hold
क्या
on,
चलेगा?
Mr. Khera, Mr. Singh. I'm going to bring in Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi Ghosh, what is the Pallavi Ghosh? What is the big political message that Sharad Pawar is sending to the Congress party with that in that interview? Hold on. Hold on. All right. Mr. Khera, Mr. Singh, hold on.
निकालने वाले हैं
This,
शिवसेना
no,
वाले।
hold on. Pallavi, go ahead.
अपनी चिंता
अरे
करिए।
पहले पिटी की चिंता
Okay,
करो,
the
अपने
fact
वजह-
is,
आपका जो राहुल
Mr.
गांधी
Singh,
का-
please.
अरे
Mr. Singh,
यार,
please.
राहुल-
Mr. Singh, Mr. Khera, please. We can't go on like this. Please, my request. Pallavi, go ahead.
Okay, I think what Pawar has said about the Congress party is extremely significant, because you do hear those voices, and sometimes there are those deliberate attempts by many in the opposition spectrum to try and keep the Congress out.
Yeah.
And the simple logic they often given is that Congress is not a winnable kind of a constituent in case of an opposition spectrum. I know that they have around 44 to 45 seats in Lok Sabha. They feel it does much well at by-polls. But I think at the end of the day, there are two things which come up. I mean, you may criticize the JDS-Congress alliance, but the fact that, the Congress was able to outsmart to a certain extent, in a sense, does put forward that point of view that Rahul Gandhi perhaps is learning, or has it in him to outsmart the opposition. That's one key message which the Congress party certainly sends out. And second, I think Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are going to be very, very critical for the Congress party, because these are the two states in which the Congress has a direct fight with the BJP. And if the Congress party wins in both, or at least one of these states, it does put them back in the reckoning. But Mr. Pawar has made a very important point. You cannot keep the Congress out of the opposition spectrum. I think the Congress is also playing it very, very carefully and very, very cautiously, not talking about a pre-poll alliance as yet, not trying to push itself as a big brother. I think there are lessons they've tried to learn. And I think Rahul Gandhi, when he talks about, I can be the Prime Minister candidate, he's actually speaking more to his cadre rather than to the opposition.
All right. Pawan Khera, there was one point that Mr. Sharad Pawar also made in that interview, where Vinaya asked him about Rahul Gandhi's leadership and his ability to lead the country as a Prime Minister. Do you think there is a worry that is cited by several allies of the Congress party as you try and formulate some sort of a united front over the leadership capabilities of a Rahul Gandhi? Is that a worry, to be able to get all like-minded parties to rally around the Congress as a fulcrum?
No, that's not an issue at all.
Okay.
Everybody across the country knows that Congress is an old party which has presence in every bylane of this country, and therefore, ideally speaking, Congress will be the fulcrum of unity amongst almost all political parties. What Sharad Pawar ji said is right. We do not have to focus on individuals, because that's a ploy by the BJP and others to try and involve us in a debate which doesn't lead anywhere. That's not what we need to debate. What we need to come together is on issues that are threatening this country or threatening the fabric of this country. We are more worried about that. BJP may be worried about kad kisko milega, pad kisko milega. We are not bothered about that. We are just bothered about agli sarkar mein Modi ji ke alawa koi bhi. That is the slogan of the people which we have to respond.
RP Singh, come in. Yes, go ahead. You want to respond?
Accept that Mr. Rahul Gandhi declared himself a Prime Minister himself. He said, I can be the Prime Minister of this country. And they said, pad ki baat nahi hai. They are booking the slot in advance. And they say, Mr. Pawan Khera said, pad ki baat nahi hai. सारा झगड़ा तो पच गया सर. Whole of the issue comes back to the
आपके लिए होगा अडवाणी जी की जो आपने हालत कर दी त्रिपुरा में, उनको नमस्ते का जवाब नहीं देते आपके मोदी जी. ये हालत आपने अडवाणी जी की कर दी, मुरली मनोहर जी की क्या हालत कर दी, अरुण शौरी की क्या हालत कर दी, यशवंत सिन्हा की क्या हालत कर दी. ये देखिए, उसका जवाब दीजिए. हमारी पार्टी की चिंता छोड़ दीजिए. चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने तो आपको छोड़ दिया है, और अभी और भी नीतीश कुमार भी तलाक कहने वाले हैं.
The BJP, isn't the BJP worried about the way, isn't there a lesson for the BJP, Mr. Singh, in the recent elections that we've seen, the way in which the opposition has united, isn't there a message for the BJP as well?
Which election are you talking about? I'm saying which election? By-polls are not reflection on the general elections. By-polls are contested on different issues.
Karnataka.
I'm talking about any state election.
पंचायत इलेक्शन मोदी जी की वजह से जीते हैं, और लोग
Karnataka,
तो कहते हैं it's not a reflection on Modi ji. वाह.
Sir,
you started with 282, now you are reduced to 271. Do you realize that? You are already a minority government if all NDA partners leave you. अरे छोड़िए, अपनी चिंता करिए. देश की तो चिंता करनी है, आपसे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. आप देश की तो चिंता कर नहीं सकते, अपनी चिंता करिए.
हमने जितनी करी बहुत करी. आप तो बाहर रहते हुए आपके नेता भ्रष्टाचार के
282 से शुरू किया, 270 पे आकर खड़े हो गए हैं. बाईपोल को लाइटली लेते हैं आप. You not taking बाईपोल seriously. Very good. So the voters who vote in by polls, you
election
don't
को
take them
लेते हैं
seriously.
seriously।
Brilliant.
आप बताइए ना, आपका
आपको कोई
यूपी में
इज्जत
क्या
है
हुआ
वोटर
था?
के लिए आपके
आप
दिमाग
साइकिल
में?
पे चढ़ कर गए थे, क्या हाल हुआ
All
आपका
right.
यूपी
अरे
के अंदर?
आपका फूलपुर और गोरखपुर में क्या हुआ था? मठ के बूथ से आप लोग हार गए।
अरे
जिस
तो
गोरखपुर
अभी
मठ के आप
अच्छा,
बड़ी बातें करते हैं,
अच्छा, चलिए।
अजय सिंह बिष्ट जो
खेड़ा
बड़ी बड़ी
साहब,
बातें
एक
करते हैं, वो
चैलेंज
अपने ही
करिए
बूथ
ना,
से हार
सबसे
गए।
चैलेंज।
वहां
इस
चिंता
बार
करिए, राजस्थान में क्या हालत हुई वो चिंता करिए। और नीतीश बाबू बड़ी जल्दी तलाक तलाक
All right,
तलाक
hold
कहने
on,
वाले हैं,
hold
उनकी
on,
चिंता
okay.
करिए।
Mr. Kheda and Mr. Singh, hold on. Let me bring in
किसी
Neerja
state
Chaudhary
में
once again.
आपको
Let me bring in
आगे
Neerja
बढ़ना
Chaudhary
है,
once again. Let me
Nobody
open up the discussion a little more.
Nobody wants to have any
Hold on. Miss Neerja Chaudhary, what is the larger political picture that emerges? I mean, this fighting will continue and perhaps it's a trailer of things to come even as we speak. You know, dates for the new parliament session have been announced. But Miss Neerja Chaudhary, what is the big political picture that emerges?
The opposition is banking on arithmetic. As I said, in 5 states, opposition parties getting together, Samajwadi Party, BSP, RLD, in UP and maybe Congress, I don't know. Bihar also the opposition, Jharkhand also the opposition, Maharashtra NCP and Congress getting together, and Karnataka JDS Congress getting together, and that this will make a difference to the tally. So the opposition is banking on arithmetic. The BJP is banking on chemistry. The chemistry of Mr. Narendra Modi's personality to see them through. Now, again the opposition thinks that the 2019 outcome will be an aggregate of state outcomes. West Bengal plus Odisha plus Andhra plus Telangana plus UP plus Bihar plus Maharashtra, that's the way they are counting. But will it be like that, or when it comes to choosing your Prime Minister and the national government, will people vote differently? I don't know the answer to this question because polls have become increasingly presidential in character, and people also look to who will be heading the government. And that, as I said, is the weakest point of the opposition. They will not have a common acceptable candidate who will be their leader, projected before the polls, and that's precisely what Mr. Sharad Pawar has said. So how it's all going to pan out, of course the BJP is losing ground, they are also getting their act together. We've seen what opposition unity can yield in terms of results, but in a national election, how this is going to pan out, we really don't know.
Mr. R.P. Singh, come in on this. You wanted to respond. I mean, there is a fact that wherever we've seen the Mahagathbandhan forging some sort of an alliance against the BJP, it has yielded fruit. Mr. Singh, isn't that something, again, I asked the same question, isn't that a lesson for the BJP?
I go further to where Neerja left. Elections are not purely arithmetic. Elections are arithmetic plus chemistry put together. And chemistry comes one who delivers you on ground, who can help you to go better in life. And it doesn't come with just merely caste combinations and mere numbers. So let's be, and then we are very clear. Rahul Gandhi, no one is prepared to accept Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister. None of the leaders are prepared to accept Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister. Neither Sharad Pawar, neither Mayawati ji, neither Akhilesh Yadav, neither Mamata Banerjee, neither Chandrababu Naidu, none of them are prepared to accept him as a leader. So they have to decide their own leader. And then Rahul Gandhi will contest election on his own, probably trying to piggyback left party in Bengal or fighting against left party in
Mr. R.P. Singh's own argument.
So there are
if they have delivered so well, why did TDP leave them? Why is Shiv Sena ready to leave them? Why are the Rajbhars in Uttar Pradesh getting restless with them? Why is Nitish Kumar getting restless with them? If they have delivered so well, why are their own partners getting so restless with them? Because on the ground they know they cannot get vote. अरे न मोदी जी के नाम पर आपको वोट मिलेगा, न मोदी जी के काम पर आपको वोट मिलेगा, न अमित शाह के दाम पर आपको वोट मिलेगा, न दाम न नाम न काम, अरे कुछ भी आपको किसी पर वोट नहीं मिलने वाला। आंखें खोल दीजिए सरदार जी, अब थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया है। आंखें खोल लीजिए। आप लोगों की समस्या है कि सिर्फ मुंह खुलता है, कान और आंखें बंद रखते हैं आप लोग। मुंह बंद रखिए, आंखें और कान खोलिए, हकीकत जमीन पे नजर आ जाएगी। आपको नजर इसलिए नहीं आता कि उनसे आप पट्टी बांध देते हैं, और फिर बोले चले जाते हैं मोदी जी से लेकर आरपी सिंह तक। जरा देखिए राजभर कितने नाराज हैं आपसे उत्तर प्रदेश में।
सिंह साहब, एक तो सवाल जरूर है। सिंह साहब, that question is there. If you are raising questions about the alliance capabilities of the Congress party, there are several questions that are being raised about the BJP as well and its attempt to keep its allies together. But Mr. Kheda, I have another question for you. You know, when a Sharad Pawar, bringing the focus back to the interview that he's given, when a Sharad Pawar talks about the importance of the regional parties and how they're going to be playing a very, very big role, how does the Congress respond to that? I mean, in all the elections that we've seen, as far as the Congress party being a national party is concerned, you know, reduced to playing, in a sense, second fiddle in a lot of the states.
I don't know that 2014 was not a normal election. Let's accept that.
Yeah.
Whether I'm from the Congress, somebody is
Yeah.
from the BJP is besides the
Yeah.
point. It was an exceptional election. That kind of an election will not
Sir, you
repeat
say
itself
second party,
in
Mr. Singh, hold on. Mr. Singh, hold on.
in the foreseeable future. May I? So let's not take 2014 as a milestone. It was an abnormal election. Never again will this be repeated. Regional parties were important, will again be important in 2019. In 2014, they may not have, post-event, they may not have appeared as very important. Whether we like it or not, they are important. So what Pawar Sahab said is absolutely realistic. They are important. In some states, they are not important. In some states, they are important. What is the debate on? The debate has to be on why is it that in 4 years, people have started saying that anybody but Modi. They are willing to make anybody the Prime Minister, but they do not want Mr. Modi. That is the issue.
Okay, all right. I think that's a good point to wrap it up on, because this debate will continue. I'm going to end it there. Pawan Kheda, Mr. Singh, Ms. Neeja Chaudhary, as well as Pallavi Ghosh, thanks very much, and Vinay Deshpande, thanks very much for that big newsmaker that Vinay Deshpande got for us here on CNN News 18, which has sent ripples across the political spectrum. You're seeing all sorts of reactions that are coming in, because that is the political climate at the moment, where big newsmakers are setting the agenda, and you can find all of those newsmakers here on CNN News 18. And that's why the Sharad Pawar interview, the conversation with Vinay Deshpande, will be playing out once again at 2:30 this afternoon. So do stay tuned to CNN News 18, as that's our big interview today. Taking a short break, but lots more ahead. Do stay with us.